In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Chime app. If you're using Chime for mobile banking and you just want to get into the app quickly and correctly, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly on both Android and iPhone so you know exactly what to do from the moment you pick up your phone. First, find the Chime app on your device. If you're using an Android phone, start from your home screen and swipe up to open the app drawer. From there, look for the Chime app. On an iPhone, go to your home screen or open the app library and search for Chime there. The app should appear as Chime, mobile banking, so that's the one you want to open. Once you find it, tap the Chime app icon. This will launch the app and take you to the sign-in screen. If the app takes a few seconds to load, that's normal, especially if your phone is slow or your internet connection is weak. When the sign-in screen appears, enter the email address connected to your Chime account. After that, type in your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, especially if your password uses capital letters, numbers, or symbols. When everything looks correct, tap Sign In. In some cases, Chime may ask you to complete an extra verification step before letting you in. This is a normal security feature designed to protect your account. For example, you may receive a verification code by text message, or you may be asked to confirm your identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's fingerprint scanner. Just follow the prompt shown on your screen to complete the verification. After you successfully sign in, you'll be able to access your account directly in the app. From there, you can check your balances, review recent transactions, manage transfers, view your cards, and use other banking features available through Chime. If you're having trouble opening the app or signing in, there are a few things to check. First, make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because outdated versions can sometimes cause problems. You can also restart your phone and try again, which often fixes minor loading or login issues. If you forgot your email address or password, use the recovery options on the sign-in screen to reset your information. And if you still need help, you can contact Chime member services or visit the Help Center for additional support. And that's how to open the Chime app.